Why you need to bring those? Yan, hawak ka na naman sa kinulayan mong container para yung hands mo magkulay-kulay na naman. Put it away. Put it away. Bakit ba gusto mo yan?
Because I have no button for my dolls.
But you don't need to color that with a marker. Hindi kasi permanent marker yan, dear. Coloring marker lang yan. For paper. Ah? Paano na? Sino kalaro mo? Ba't ka magadala niyan?
Remember my best friend in the shop?
Ah. Daghang best friend. Ah. Na kay best friend?
Yeah, see you na.
Yun na.
Yeah.
Duwa kayo, duwa.